In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist on Slack. If you're organizing tasks for a project, prepping a meeting agenda, or just keeping track of reminders, a checklist inside a Slack canvas is a quick, visual way to stay on top of things. I'll walk you through the entire process, and you'll see how fast it is to set up. First, open the canvas where you want your checklist to live, and move your cursor to the exact spot where you want to place it. A canvas in Slack is like a collaborative document attached to a channel, a conversation, or your own personal workspace. It holds text, links, and other content. So choosing the right location helps your checklist make sense in context. Think about whether it belongs at the top for visibility or below some notes if it's part of a larger document. Once your cursor is in place, type a /, then the word checklist with no spaces, and press enter. That simple command instantly inserts a checklist element for you. You don't have to hunt through menus or fiddle with formatting. Slack takes care of it. You'll see the first checkbox ready to go, so you can start writing your task right away. Now, as you press enter at the end of a line, Slack will automatically create a new checkbox on the next line. This makes it easy to build your list item by item without breaking your flow. Add as many items as you need, and keep each one focused and clear. Short, action-oriented lines work best, because they're easier to scan and check off later. If a task feels long, consider breaking it into smaller pieces, so progress is visible and momentum stays high. As you continue, keep the list organized with a logical order, top priority items first, or group related tasks together so your team can follow along quickly. Use consistent phrasing so every item starts with a verb, like review, draft, or send. This small habit makes the list feel cohesive and more actionable. When you're done adding items, that's it. Your checklist is in place. Because it lives right in your canvas, it's easy to revisit, share context with teammates, and keep everything in one spot. If your workflow changes or you think of new items later, just return to the canvas and continue typing. New lines will keep generating new checkboxes automatically. That's all you need to create a clean, functional checklist on Slack. Simple, fast, and ready to use.